Francesc Casadesu. It has just been finished 2 days atelier regarding EDN, European Dancehouse Network. So can you make a short analysis of these 2 days?
Okay, so the European Dancehouse Network is a network of dance houses in Europe. So altogether, we are trying to develop a concept of a dance house, what a dance house is or what it could be. We've been working since a few years, and now we are trying to make this concept public and try to promote the concept or the idea of dance houses beyond ourselves, beyond the members of the network. So what we tried here is to look at one specific issue, is the architecture of the houses. When you are planning to have a dance house, what are the things that you should take into account? And looking especially from the perspective of buildings. That's why we started discussing about the past, the history, the first pioneers or the first idea of dance houses, how this came into a concept, and how this has been translated into different examples. For example, we studied some examples of existing buildings that have been recycled, and later we were looking at houses that will be built in the future. What are the ideas for new houses in the future? So looking at the past to, in a way, to promote the idea, but also to help people that have projects for new dance houses to get the best examples possible of our experiences. So it's been really, I think, interesting for us to look at the past, but I also am very, very happy, especially for the Italian people that was in the room and for people that had in mind some ideas on some projects, because I think it's been very, very illustrative and very important for them to make a better definition of the ideas that they have in mind. So I think it's been really, really fruitful and interesting.